Okay, guys, now I want you to go to slide 12 in your personal narrative notebook. And we're going to look at some more show, don't tell. So before we were looking at show, don't tell the readers where you are. Our next one, we're going to show, don't tell the readers how you feel. How you feel. Okay, so my first one is you're going to try to not use things like I was angry. We're going to try to use a sentence maybe like this example. My fist clenched tightly as I shook with fury. As I shook with fury. So that's a way to show how you feel. Show that you were angry, but not just say the simple words, I was angry. Okay. I want you to think about some different ways that you might could say, my sister was scared. I was excited. I was sick. Okay. I want you to think about some examples there, and then you're going to go back to your drafting and you're going to add that information in your document. Look in your document and see if you can see ways where you can show, don't tell, how you feel.